iga egaliete egali ekigalinye chikomyokani akego banze gwaka amasasi baka amasasi abantu bakamuneka amasasi risasi ndiri lyanyota omuntu olenge mayiga yane tingumanya ninki mwalengo mwaroche manya n'abantu naye ngukwanira. One of the police officers who shoot at us came from Langata, who had the AK-47. Langata police station. Manya kuru Langata mpaka Mugirango maji. The other one called Kevin is one of the officers from Nyanjo police station. They had 7 AK-47. And those guns, they cannot be used by NRE. The bodyguards, they cannot carry those guns. It's only the president who is taken care of by the record squad and the deputy. But even when they are carrying on, when they are carrying chiba unduki they have come, the poor, they have come for bursary. Then some people emerge, even my brothers, police officers, who could be misused. How can it be that you travel all the way from Nairobi only to come shoot at the very poor, people who are receiving only 3,000? The only thing they have done is Simba addressing them. Abantu amintu mtegete masala monsa verani onye talia masabo kanga tinjo inje mwanga kirute kroso wanje kwene mwangi kuanga kanga tindi gento keke tini mugaba lakini mba wanja makorega asigari. What is this that I've done? They have looked for me. They wanted to combine the MCS for impeachment. They found it's not possible. Oh, poison Simba, we can even poison him. God is there. They are unable to poison me. Now, the only thing, shoot randomly. Na kutuko impeach Simba. Anyante kunyali kana mpaka bago isaransi. Bao kwa na yonga na bako betu no ine sumu. Iya, kitoko ntika njika nkine ngo ikere no ine miaka 60. Montige ndolo na abana babake. Should I die engocha kukwese ngenjo kukolera abantu bane kusiye gasi? Bantu abitungu basaba. Mungu nyura sama sabo. Ese yero okumulika. Obo ibinanyo altubuleke rasi mambo muleke. Ego. Osemo mugane tingo boy. Ya. Tole maga. Ono ngobo tokonyono na baitire chinkoro. Tidikobwa. Nkuba kolera ndegas. Ese igiye dalia mu murolia ekora kana umuntu na role mayiga yae okora ibintu byonse. Because abanyagitari doctors were beaten up. They were about to be lynched. Save the police arrested those people. Another incident toko genda matanga na ende chinsara chikaruto cha chinza amatanga hivi. Amasasi agao. Bintu biri bono gaki onye na atembire n'abantu babugirango n'abantu abaya lakini abantu bande batagiti bakolera gas onye bagonseri koro dingo jankore no ensengira muso mu wanje boyo bono bono eren kayango chako tacha saba abantu bamintu ndaite basabe tusabirane na serikali okos Mugirango e constituency ya Mugirango neyemo yabo yagusi chi constituency kyanda asendo mugabana n'abantu ba Mugirango ko bakolera ndegazi banje bantu bali banje nabatanja ngokolera n'abantu baitu ba Mugirango ndegazi period nogo sero kugwe pasa bigo osera bokolero konkuru mia kwagenda kwagona gusine sukali kweba amasoma aya awokonyegesa kuweta yoke myaka yose kusina berego ogo seranda asere nuko agacha ECD classrooms ogo seranda asere kuyesi mono no make sure maliongo na aralia nyakitali ayale nkugura 35 million every quarter lakini aende amanya koibwa banza konti clinic iskoga yasa no mya ono mwako kabere tindiko mogi tindiko miembe kokorande gazi na mwantebeti na lichiko liko lya Kenya liganete nkole gazi tuwana na bantu bamete iko munganjere because ngo myokande go chimagenje ngendo mpako montole nge magayane nero age tulisa asyo gotoka na kumetinga ki ninki na kolere serikali enkobolia ninki nekebenje kobegama Mtua chiete n'abantu bonsi yepi tukabole nkababwa gaki inki bakomboli manyanga tigamba temi babekira hamo bakire koliba ly'aba MCA bandusi obiswa eminchi banyore babwata ba MCA ko mnabane boka bayisara ansire batebere ngo impeachment yasinyire tikano ene sumu muligeri mumubekere mwenye n'abantu bakora boyo n'omuntu bwate emyaka 68 ngo mulinga kigaki to wanja nenje gaki ninkaba n'emyaka 50